street vending shops, like the shops you see on the roadside. You will be handed your food items in a wrapper and you can take it and you can eat it. So we don't need such sort of manners. The only manner you need is that after eating, the wrapper should be thrown in the dustbin, not on the road. But when you dine in on a luxurious platform, you go to a luxurious hotel like 5-star or 7-star hotel if you know, and there if you have to dine in, if you are going to dine, if you are going to have a dinner in a hotel which is quite luxurious and you are with your colleagues or friends, or I can say office colleagues. Let's say you are on a business meeting with your office colleagues and you have to go on a dinner. आपको डिनर पर जाना है अपने ऑफिस कलीग्स के साथ. So how are you supposed to eat? How are you supposed to sit? How are you supposed to walk? Everything matters there because your boss will be with you. So we will learn how to have a dinner in a 5-star hotel and what are the basic table manners and etiquettes which we are bound to follow in a hotel or in a luxurious place. Okay. So table manners not only shows your mannerism and your way of eating, it also shows your habit, your persona, everything. Okay. Let's start. For example, let's suppose we are having a dinner on a grand hotel, a serious hotel, and I come to the hotel, I come to the table, I come to the dining table, and I have to sit on the chair. How am I supposed to sit? Should I climb on it? No, I can't climb on the chair. So how am I supposed to sit? Should I do it like this? Is this the way? No. You shouldn't. You should never pull the chair or make any sort of noise with the chair. If you are walking onto a table, if you are accompanied with a female, like I am talking about male, if you are accompanied with a female, you should first put the chair for the female. How are you supposed to? How are you supposed to pull the chair? Lift the chair up, bring it back, place the chair down. Done? Halfway. Next, when you have to sit, pull the chair slightly, move forward to the left, get inside, pull up your hands, bring the chair forward. The second point, while sleeping, you should never slouch. You are not a snail, you are a man. So sitting like this or sitting like this, that's the worst scenario, worst thing you can do while having a dinner. What should you do? Sitting straight, chair in, hands on the table, not your elbows. You are not in a meeting, you are in a dining table. So your hands can be on the table but not your hands. Next thing, what will I do after I sit? If I am a newbie, I am a beginner, I will come, I will place my handy on the top, I will place my phone on the top. If I have anything else on the pocket, like if I have my wallet, I will place my wallet on the top, then I will sit here. Is this correct? No. You should never place your credentials or your items on the table. First of all, everything should be in your pocket. If it is not in your pocket, keep it on your lap. Next, your phone should never be on the table. Your phone should not be the center of attraction. You have came to have the dinner with your colleague, not your phone. So your phone, first thing, should be on a silent mode if you are carrying a mobile phone. It should be on silent, and second, it should be inside your phone. Not on your, even not on your shirt pocket. In your pant. Okay. Next, how are you going to have the dinner or the lunch? Ma'am will explain. Okay. Let's start.
Suppose you enter a restaurant, right? And waiter comes towards you. So what you should say to him? Well, likely you should ask could we see the menu, please? Right? So he or she will show you the menu. So
You are sitting with 8 to 10 people on a large table. Then how are you supposed to call the waiter to yourself? Will you be like, hey waiter, come here? That is not correct. That is not the manner to call a table. A waiter, if you want to call the waiter to yourself, or if you want to have his attention, just politely raise your hand. Not all the way up, slightly above. And wait for the waiter to have your attention. Waiters are always standing there to have a, they always have a gaze upon you. So when you raise your hand, they will catch you. Just politely raise your hand, and when the waiter sees, just wave your hand. He will come to you. As soon as the waiter comes, politely get back, ask you, can I have the menu please? On a business dinner or if you are having dinner with your colleagues or at any place, most of the time the menu is provided to you. आपको menu पहले से provide किया है. But in the case menu is not provided, then you can ask for the menu. Now next, how are we supposed to serve? In most of the cases, the waiter serves the dinner. But if the waiter is not serving the dinner, he has just placed the dinner on the table, how are you supposed to serve it? How much amount is to be served. If the waiter doesn't serve you, like if you are serving to yourself, pick up the bowl from your left hand and with your dominant hand, just take an ample amount of food. Not too much, not very less. Take an ample amount of food and not all at once. Take, you are not allowed to take all at once. Take up a small proportion, see that if it is dripping or not, and then place it gently on your table. It shouldn't splash or it should not fall on the table. Take it gently on your plate, place it on your plate, and then when your plate is half full and you have an ample amount of food on your plate, pass it to the next person gently. With your left hand, pass it to the next person. Okay? Are you gonna